Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. I apologize for not posting this video sooner for Friday, but here's what we worked on in class. We finished IXL D1 and Read Theory. These were both due today by the end of the class period. We spent a really nice part of our day sharing the biographies that you guys wrote from Thursday. So if you have not yet written yours and shared it with me, make sure you do so. We also finished reading our story from the textbook, so I am going to pull that up for you guys just so that you can kind of see what we were doing, okay? So let me kind of pull that up here. And remember, you're going to be entering into your textbook through Google Classroom. There is a topic on Google Classroom that will get you there. So mine is going to look a little different than yours. Okay. I'll pull up the student edition. Okay. All right. So remember, we're not on Unit 1, we are on Unit 5, so we are going to go up to the 3 lines in the menu button and click on that, and that'll show us our table of contents. We are going to then go down to Invention, and we are still in small group learning, and we are on the invention of everything else. So right here is the audio for our story. So if you have not yet listened to it or read it, make sure that you listen to this story at the very least, okay? And let's kind of bounce back to our slide. We completed the first read guide questions, and I will attach this handout to your assignment on Google Classroom, along with the comprehension questions. Those, if you would like to just work on the ones straight out of the book, they are located right off of this page underneath the Making Meaning. And you're going to go down to the comprehension check. You're going to click that one right there, and you will be answering these right there. Make sure that you just type this out on a doc and send it to me, unless you would like to work on it on the handout that I send you. Okay. And then we worked on vocabulary. So we do have a vocab quiz coming up this week, or next week, sorry, next week after conferences. We do have a vocab quiz coming up. You'll have plenty of time to study for this, and I will post the study guide here shortly. And we didn't get to either one of these, so that took us through our whole day today. So if you need anything from me, please don't hesitate to ask. I will be attaching all of the handouts that you need onto the assignment for today. Thank you so much. And if you need help navigating the textbook, just let me know, okay? Have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.